how to post landscape video on your Instagram Reels. So someday, if you want to post a video on the landscape, then what you can do is simply install the Instagram from Google Play Store to its latest version and then open it. After opening the Instagram, you will see an interface like this. So after doing this on the bottom side, you will see there are many icons among all this. What you can do is simply tap on the plus icon. You will now see an interface like this. So choose the option what you want to post, story, reels or live. So simply click on reel. Since you want to post the reel, after clicking on the reel option, you can choose any video that you want to post. So I choose this one video to post on my reel. So after choosing this video, how do we post it in landscape? So you can freely move the video in any direction. So for landscape, just place it horizontally and match the edges with your screen. And then you can simply click on the next button. And after clicking on the next button, just tap on the share button and your reel will be sent and shared in your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then thumbs up and subscribe to our channel